Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, introduce myself. My name is Yostia from class management 22A. I want to explain motivation and job satisfaction. Motivation. Definisi of motivation: a progress that explains regarding intensity, direction, and individual persistency that leads on goal achievement. Difference motivation and motivation. Motive and motivation. Motive only engagement is within the individual, while motivation is the process of emergency of the urge to behave in accordance by the process by which this behavior occurs. Word motivation. Motivation, something that causes encouragement or spirit at work. In industrial psychology, it is created a driver spirit at work. Motivation in the world of work. How to direct power and potential of subordinates so that they are willing to work together. Productivity, success in achieving and realizing predetermined goals. The seizure and weakness of person. Word motivation, participated in determining the size of achievement. The importance of motivation. People want to work because number 1 is the desire to live. Number 2 is the desire of position. Number 3 is the desire for power. Number 4 is the desire recognition. Types of motivation. Positive motivation. Manager motivate subordinates by give or rewards will achieve above standard performance. Number 2 and negative motivation. Manager motivate subordinates by punish those who do unable to achieve standard performance certain. Theories motivation. Number 1 is contact theory. A. Total theory level of need. Humans try to fulfill especially low level needs first before meeting needs higher. In humans there are 5 needs that must be fulfilled: self-actualization, rewards, social, safety, psychological. Number 2 is existency, relationship, growth. This motivation theory, age theory, Clayton Alderweireld, modification and revolution of governance theory, Maslow level of needs. Number 3 is two-factor theory. Theory of motivation created by Friedrich Herzberg. In this theory, there are 2 factors that influence the amount of a person motivation to do something, namely motivational factor and maintenance factor. Number 1 is Hage factor. Salary, personal life, condition, work, job security, relationship. interpersonal, tax, and company administration. Number 2 is motivation theory, success, rejuvenation, challenging work, improvement, and internal growth. Number 4 is activation motivation theory. According to MC Kellen, one of the factors the encouraging motivation in a person is the need for activation. This need include the desire to achieve success, of overcome obstacles, complete something difficult, and the desire to be able to excite other people. Need for achievement, the urge to excel in a set standards, strive to success, need for abilities, desire to communication interpersonally in a friendly and close manner. Number 3 is need for power, the need to make another person behave a way that the other person would not otherwise behave. Theory motivation, process motivation. Number 1 is reinforcement theory, the behind for with positive consequences they deems to be repeated, while behind for with negative consequences then not be repeated. And goal setting theory. Edwin Locke suggested that if employees are given specific goals and they follow it and given feedback, it will produce high performance. Number 3 is expectancy theory, popularized by Viktor Fromm. If someone wants and hopes to get something that is big enough, that it will make him very encouraged to get what he wants. The conversely, if hope obtains the thing he wants is thing, his motivation effort will be low. Number 4 is equity theory, theory of justice. Adams that para employees see what they gain from job situation is associated with what the path in the world then compared with CO workers. Job stratification, a positive attitude from the workforce include feelings and behavior towards what essential one of the jobs and as a tasty appreciation in achieving one of the values important job with regard to an individual general attitude towards his job. If job stratification is high, then attitude towards his work is positive, as will on the contrary factor the influence job certification. Number 1 is leaders and employees. Number 2 is gender. Number 3 is range of work and level of education. Number 4 is environment. Number 5 is sense of security. Number 6 body. Number 7 is job level. Number 8 time off. Number 9 age. Number 10 relationship the originate from outside the self and company or organizational size. Job stratification theory. Number 1 is discrepancy theory. Employing worth if obtained by the employing it turnated out to be pincher than expected, then the employing is satisfied. On the contrary, if one the employing will get is lower that on what is expected to cause this dissatisfied employees. Number 2 is Laurer-Pace theory. Job stratification involves individual assessment toward other people assessment. This stratification arises when what appreciably accepted. Number 3 is Landy Opnit process theory. This theory states that how individuals get appreciated rewards such as expected but not immediately dominated by essence of certification, but promotion are still related to this certification. Thank you for listening, and I end. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.